Hi everyone, welcome back to Highlights at Home. In this new bundle of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources, we're talking about the 4th of July. Now our 4th of July celebrations this year may look different from past years, but we can still make a nice summer memory for our kids and maybe start a new tradition, such as a neighborhood bike parade. That's one suggestion you'll find in this pack-up. Pick up some red, white, and blue crepe paper and some other materials your kids can use to really deck out their bicycles, and then let them enjoy parading around the neighborhood. Afterward, you might want to have a family picnic in the backyard, and we've done the planning for you. In this bundle, you'll find 3 menu suggestions, and each includes an idea for an entree, a side, and a dessert. Let your kids who enjoy cooking help you prepare that meal, and these recipes are simple enough that they really can help. When we cook with our children, we teach them important life skills, and it's just another opportunity to spend time together laughing and chatting. Let your kids who enjoy arts and crafts come up with a 4th of July themed centerpiece for your picnic table, or maybe some decorations for your house or yard. Now the story in this pack-up features a little girl who, after watching a fireworks display, wonders where the sparkles go after they fall from the sky. Kids really do ask the best questions, don't they? She figures out how to enjoy sparkles all summer long, and we hope you also enjoy sparkles all summer long by finding some evenings where you can sit in the dark and watch the fireflies together. However you decide to spend the 4th of July, we hope you can be fully present in the moment, fully present with your kids, enjoying one another's company. Also take a moment to make sure that they understand the why behind this celebration. And if you need help with that, there are some really excellent children's books published on this subject. As we celebrate our hard-fought independence, let's also keep top of mind our ongoing fight against racism and social injustice so that we can make America truly free and fair for all. From all of us at Highlights, happy 4th of July. We'll be back soon with more free resources. Stay healthy and stay hopeful.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.